In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot Notebooks for focused collaboration. Let's start by opening the Microsoft 365 Copilot interface in your browser, for example at copilot.microsoft.com. On the left sidebar, look for the Notebooks option. This is your workspace for scoped, repeatable workflows, where Copilot will focus only on the materials you provide. Create a new notebook and give it a clear, descriptive name so you and your teammates instantly understand its purpose. A name like Project Kickoff Summary or Quarterly Planning Hub works well. Right away, choose your initial references. You can pull files from OneDrive, Teams, or upload documents directly from your device. Think about the core sources you want Copilot to rely on, such as meeting notes, briefs, or requirements docs. Next, set the instructions that will guide Copilot. Spell out the role, the goal, the tone, and the expected output. For example, you might write, "You are a project manager." Summarize meeting notes for stakeholders as concise bullet points, focusing on decisions needed and blockers. The more specific you are, the more consistent and useful your results will be. This becomes the notebook's North Star, so be intentional and explicit. You can always enrich your context, add more files as your project evolves, bring in OneNote pages, or include website links. When you add a link, the relevant content is copied into the notebook, helping ensure Copilot has a stable snapshot of the material. Keep your references tidy and relevant. A focused set of sources tends to produce sharper answers. Now interact with Copilot inside the notebook. Ask questions, give commands, and request drafts or summaries. Copilot will only use the files and instructions within this notebook, which makes it excellent for staying on track. Try prompts like draft a stakeholder summary from the latest notes, highlighting open decisions and blockers, or identify key risks mentioned across these documents. If something looks off, refine your instructions or swap in better references. When you're ready to collaborate, click the people icon in the notebook to invite colleagues. Sharing lets your team work from the same instructions and sources, reducing rework and misalignment. Teammates can add references, fine-tune the guidance, and build on each other's prompts for faster, more consistent output. That's it. Access notebooks, create your space, set precise instructions, add the right references, interact purposefully, and share for seamless teamwork. With a well-structured notebook, Copilot becomes a focused partner that delivers exactly what you need.